Hi! In front of me is iPhone 13 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can add event to calendar on this device. First of all, you need to locate calendar app and click on it. Now click on the top left corner over here and pick a date by tapping on it. Now, when you're ready, you can create your event by choosing this plus icon at the top right corner. Now adjust it however you wish to. For example, add a title. Now you can click on location or video call over here and type in an address. Then click on the correct result. After that, pick starting hour and ending one. If you don't want to do that, you can always click on this switcher next to all day to disable this feature completely. Now click on repeat and click on one of those options if you want your event to repeat, for example, every year. If you don't, just click on never. Now you can also invite people from your email book. Click on done after each one. Set up notifications minutes, hours, or weeks before your event, in this case 1 day before. Add attachments, take notes, and even click on show us and tap on one of those options, busy or free. Finally, save your event by choosing add at the top right corner of it. As you can see, mine was successfully created. If you wish to edit it, you can always click on it and tap on edit at the top right corner. Then make your changes and click on done. If you wish to get rid of your event though, you need to choose delete event and confirm your choice in this pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!